Okay, so in this video, we're gonna do some coloring and adding some buttons. Let's start with the buttons first. So I'm gonna add one here under this picture and one under each of these, which will bring us directly to the products. It's actually super easy. All you need to do is to style this a little bit. And this type of styling, what I'm gonna do is applicable to all of these blocks. So you can do it with every single of them. I like bigger buttons, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to add a little bit of space before and after. That's the padding. What the radius is, that's here, like how that curve. I use 10. These I will leave a little bit the same size, like small. Add a little bit space. For the radius I will leave, but I will definitely push them to the middle. Let's say center. This will be the same, center. Now let's choose some kind of cool color for this background. I will still keep it dark, but I'm gonna go something like this, like really dark color. And I can use this information here. I wanna do the same thing for these guys. Absolutely no problem. Okay. So we have a reddish newsletter, but I think it looks pretty nice. I can also do this color here, the same red, if I want to. That's the content background color. Oops, not the whole thing. That will be caption. If I do this, then everything like it gives this frame type of thing, which I don't want to do. Okay, we're gonna do the same for the detox. And let's change this to white. So I just go like this. Then I have this nice, nice color. Like this. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Now there's a little change needed because where to put this? A little change needed. What I want to do here is a little bit change how this whole background is. So I'm gonna add another column here. And I will want to move it more down to the bottom. And actually I will add this one to it as well. The reason is because I want to give a different background color. So I'm gonna have to this whole thing, I'm gonna give a absolutely different color here. Have it more on the gray side, that this part on the bottom here is the same color as this image. So let's try to do that. Content background, something like this. So now they both have the same color, and that's I think really nice. So we put everything in there. Place it here. This. Bring it to the middle. We don't need this anymore. And we're gonna just take the unsubscribe text as well and add it to the very bottom here. So I can add another text like this, or I could have added just there. Let's add another text, and then we keep everything nicely separated. Move it a little bit away, more like this. This one we're also giving a little bit distance. Okay, so let's now finish up the. Oops, there is something which I didn't want to do for the background. Let's keep it white. So let's deal with the links as well. And this is the button link. So here we're just gonna give some kind of, just gonna give a link here. Let's say HTTPS. And we can do the same link wherever. You can deep link your product if you want. You can add the link to the images as well. Let's open it in new tab. Same thing here. Link. Open it in new tab. And we can have some kind of article here as well if we want to, like a link to an article if we have such an article. This, for example, could go to some kind of secure payment type of page if we want to, and more information about the delivery. So this is our newsletter. I'm gonna save it and make a test send, and we will check out how it looks.